Okay, in the last video I showed you a site that had already been configured in the Network Sentry for monitoring of the multicoupler unit alarms. But in this video we're actually going to change one. So let's go to region 61 and we're going to select the concrete site. We're going to select that Network Sentry and read the device. Yep, we're going to do that right now. And then it opens that device for us. And if you had any doubt about what you're looking at, you can see up here it's region 61, site 28. That's concrete. Again, right here, the site ID is site 28, so we know we're talking to the right one. I go down to the I/O and notice that nothing in here has been bolded. Everything is just regular font. So that's a sign that nothing has been modified. And of course we know that's not what we want. So we need to go edit the digital inputs. So we're going to go right there and double click. That'll bring up our digital inputs editor. And we could edit any of these we want, but I'm going to assume that Pacific Electronics made the cable for that site to work with digital input 1. Of course, I'm not on site. I don't have anybody there, so I can't verify it. But I'm going to go in faith that's what they've got, and they're going to verify this and let us know or change it if necessary. So I'm going to go down here to the description for digital input number 1, and I'm going to change that description to concrete MCU alarm. We're going to leave the polarity at the default, and you see the concrete MCU alarm is now bold because it's no longer at the default. We're going to change the active state name to down. That'll bold. The inactive state name is up, and when I hit enter that goes bold. The active state severity, when I click there, you see that I get a drop down menu. I'm going to select critical and I'm going to click OK. Now you'll notice that the digital inputs here, that where it says collection, that's bolded because it's no longer at the defaults. And that's what we want. So now let's write this. And what we're going to do, you see here the personality name, it's writing to region 61, site 28, U1, NWS, that's correct. But we're going to increment this number because we want to leave the last file on the repository in case something goes wrong. But we want to have a record of the changes that we made and intended to make. So now it's offering to send that to the device, and we're just looking here again to see that yes, it's concrete. Yes, we're going to the NWS. We're going to the right IP address. We're writing that file. We don't want to write that to the wrong device, guys. That would be horrible. So here we go. You see down here in the bottom, it's showing progress, and we've got kind of a striped line there. Takes a little bit of time because, well, in part because I'm remote. I'm making this video in Wenatchee. But you see now we have 100%. So it is written to the device. For what it's worth, that one's done. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.